Hi listeners. I am Daisy, today's host. A heartfelt greeting to all in today's brand new podcast show. Are you tired of your dated or damaged lighting? Well, I have come up today with a perfect solution for you. Introducing ABCrystal leaded crystal bobeches from ABCrystal, the ultimate piece for chandeliers. These 4-inch bowls are functional and decorative with gold or silver pins, made of 30% leaded crystal and intricate beveled cuts. Plus, these cultured bobeches with 1-inch center holes are ideal for candle drip guards and candelabras. They won't discolor or deform, and each cup is 1.5 inches deep to elegantly hide the light bulb socket or candle tube. Your entryway foyer or dining room will look regal and impressive after installing your chandelier. To discover more, browse ABCrystal.com. Why wait? Make your chandelier shine with ABCrystal bobeches from ABCrystal today. Thanks for tuning into today's episode. I will be back soon. Until then, stay tuned for the latest updates.